Artemis again.
Ahoy, mateys.
Another big
Let me check to see if we are recording.
50 spaceflight now memberships. Big ups to you, Artemis.
And yes, we are.
Continuing to grow our
Steve turned me on to a web or a live stream. It's playing right now.
Because I saw some folks asking about it on the live chat. It is randomized as to who gets them, so
should be about 7 minutes till launch.
We really have any control over that, but
I don't know how well this camera's doing at nighttime, but hopefully it's picking up. We're looking north to the Tombstone Courthouse. I've been here since about 5. The reason I came here tonight was because I got to work in Benson in the morning, which is roughly about 15 miles north of here. I don't think I'd get a copyright strike for having that live stream on. I'm not sure. Hard to say. We'll find out, won't we? The insects, crickets, they're having a field day. I don't know if they're aware that there's going to be a SpaceX launch tonight in about 7 minutes from now. Well, the guy on the web thing said, in fact, I think I'm going to turn him down a minute. I think if I was to go over 4 minutes, that might give me a copyright strike, or 4 seconds. So I better turn him down.
You can easily navigate to our YouTube.
Elmo's having a blast.
Ready to begin that as well for that mission.
There. Turned it completely down. Our time is 8:35. So 5 more minutes according to the clock. But they may have delayed. I hope that my batteries last. Ooh, looks kind of iffy. Oh boy. Let's see. According to the thing on the back of the camera, on where the viewfinder, or whatever you want to call it, it says I have 21 minutes and 52 seconds. So I don't know if that is the chip capacity. I don't think it's the battery capacity. The battery is in the yellow. It's going to be iffy. So I had a thought. Ooh, I almost tripped over a fire pit. Probably should turn my flashlight on. I wonder where the best spot would be. It's kind of overgrown right here. I want to get to the fence. There goes a night bird. Yeah, here at the edge of the wash. Don't go down. Okay, so this is basically looking due west. Now I think if I was to gauge from the one that Steve took, Vandenberg is a little bit to the northwest. I'm sure we'll somehow see it. We have a 3/4 moon. Oh. So now I don't have my camera, I don't have my phone with me to know what time it is. So we're just going to have to hope that they launch on time. There's a few bugs coming around. I don't have the tripod on this. So, you know, Elon put up a Tesla in space, orbiting the Earth as we speak. But I think that they really should put up a different vehicle, one that should be immortalized, one that the Playmates sang about. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. The little Nash Rambler was right behind. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Shouldn't we put up a 1960 Nash Rambler into outer space? What would be wrong with that? Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I might title this video Slowly Panning, even though you can't see a damn thing. I gotta watch my step. I'm right on the edge. And it's making me wobbly. I wish I'd brought a chair over here. I would assume that if I walk, about the time I turn the camera around, walk back towards the camper, the doggone thing will go up. I'm not as worried about my battery life as I was. Yes, it's in the yellow, but the bar is going to the right. So I have more white than I do yellow. So I think we're going to be fine. I hear you, Bear. Bear is the little black lab mix that Caesar has. I met Caesar yesterday. He's apparently doing maybe camp host work, I don't know. But he was line trimming. He was line trimming my campsite when I was pulling into it. But yeah, I got the same campsite tonight as I did yesterday. The one with a nice big shade tree, and there is a little tiny bit of breeze that's coming up now. A few minutes ago there was nothing, but now I can feel a breeze. I'm getting kind of excited. I sure hope that this camera will capture the launch. What was that? Huh. Something was flashing in the air. I don't know what it was. It didn't go boom. I don't know if the camera caught that or not. Okay. Now, I'm seeing the camera is picking up two UFOs. No, two planes or helicopters. They appear to be approaching this way. There it goes. Check it out. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. That is incredible. I am able to zoom a little bit. Wow. Wow, this is my second time. My first time I didn't know what I was looking at. I was in California by Parker, Arizona, when I saw it go, and I'm like, what in the hell? But here goes another Starlink. No Nash Rambler though. That is totally flippin' amazing. I am so glad that Jill called me. And then I got a hold of Steve. I told Roy and Becky knew about it. And I've got 2 more, I think, on the list that'll be being launched in the very near future. So maybe I'll get to see more. Okay, from my vantage point, it's pretty much due west, and it's up there a ways. I'd like to give you a, okay, there's ground level, if you will, right there. Of course, you know, it's 300 or 400 miles away. Amazing. I got half-life on the battery. We're doing good. We have been recording for 12 minutes, I think. No, there's 12 minutes left on the data. Sure hope it will download. Okay, it's getting dimmer. I sure hope it will download to the computer. I took a short video this morning and there was nothing there. So let's pray that this is going to work. Okay, it's really fading out now. There's the trail. You follow the trail, and with the naked eye, I can barely see it now. The plains are brighter. Wow. I can see it with the naked eye. I don't know if the camera's seeing it. That's just amazing. Frickin' amazing. I wonder what the cavemen would have thought about this. Not much, right? Still watching it. It's going basically south. And seems to be about the same. Ouch! Watch the edge. Wow. I wonder why. Oh, well, it's probably flying more or less on its own velocity. And that's why we don't see the trail behind it anymore. It's going to disappear on the southern horizon here in just not very long. Probably a minute. Getting closer to that mountain. I don't think you can see it on the film. I can't see it on the view screen. So I think I'm going to slowly try to walk back without falling out. It's going to go behind the mountain. And it's gone. Alright. That's just incredible. Alright, mateys. Looks like the light, I charged up the light by the camper and by Elmo, but it's gone out. I'll have to plug it into the charger again. Steve was going to try to use his drone to capture the launch tonight, so that would be an interesting film to watch once he gets it up. Alright, mateys, that's it. I'm going to try to upload this. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Fair winds, smiles. May God bless. Thanks for being aboard, mateys. Talk to you Wednesday night, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Arizona time. Good night, everyone.